We back again, man. Welcome to SFN where we be getting it in, man. Come on, man. This is what we finna do today. Show them this, man. Show them, man, right here. So we got everything on loose. We finna go on do this. So, man, look. I'm finna put y'all on time lapse. And, man, I'm gonna be back with y'all.
Started from the bottom, started in that jungle, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100, ayy, tell me if you want it, ayy, I'm just being honest, a lot of niggas, they be phoning, old storm be your homies, started from the bottom, started in that jungle, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100, ayy, tell me if you want it, ayy, I'm just being honest, a lot of niggas, they be phoning, old storm be your homies, I just sit back and I laugh at these niggas. Yeah, I just sit back, have a blast with these.
What we gonna do now? We got everything broke down to the knuckle. We try to replace this hub bearing right here. Cause this joint is fucked up. Here go the new one. We gonna slide this new joint in here. New and approved joint. This the old regular joint. We gonna take the old regular joint out and put this new one on here, man. So, what you would need to do the job, the extra nut right here, this is a 32. This is a 32. You're gonna need a 32 extra nut to get it off. You might need an impact drive. You might use a pry bar, or I mean a breaker bar, whatever. Then we're gonna hit these up. Behind these, it's a 17. So I'll probably use a short socket 17. What I'm gonna do is knock the extra back just a little bit. Just a little bit to get that out. And I'm gonna pull that up and then pull that back so I can get to these screws. And then I'm gonna get back with y'all.
Started from the bottom, started in that jungle, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100, ayy, tell me if you want it, ayy, I'm just being honest, a lot of niggas, they be phoning, old storm be your homies, started from the bottom,
we loosened everything up and broke it down cause my impact a little dead. Cause I use it all the time. It's a little dead, so I couldn't break the bolts with that junk. So I just got and broke the bolts with the ratchet. So we almost on this motherfucker, man. Get this right here, man. Get this thing off, man. I can't see nothing. Hold on, let me hit that back a little bit. I can't see that, y'all. I can't get it out. Let me hit that back a little bit. Down, get these screws up out of here. Alright, there's one of them. Really easy, that screw it. I got about 2 screws out already. They just still back there, but they out. Alright, that screw out. Get this last one out right here. It's gonna be like 4 screws. They are 17 at the back right here. I can get a good grip on it with this, so I'm gonna go and hit it regular, man. Yeah, go and put it up. I'm finna put y'all back by on this laps so I can go and get through with it.
Started from the bottom, started in that jungle, made it out the shit, still kept it 100.
You got these bolts right here. It's 4 of these bolts right here. You get the extra out of the hub area, and then you take off these couple bolts, and you ready to rock. You know, I ain't never loose that one. I thought I unloosed that one. That one I never unloosed.
That one won't fall off.
Yeah, but it's finna come on off of here. I'm finna get my boy back on the road, man. It's my partner joint right here, man. So we just chilling, man. You know, I should have made this nigga do it himself, man. But I'ma mess with it, man. And get a video out to y'all, cause I ain't been doing it in the videos, man. If y'all like what I'm doing, man, y'all can subscribe to the channel, man. I don't know what type of content y'all want to see from me. But if y'all like this content, just drop in the comments and let me know what's going on. Cause I can do these videos all day. Or I can do framework videos all day. Whatever way y'all want. Let's get it. So we finna put this new one back on here, man. So I'm gonna get right back with y'all in just a second.
Started from the bottom, started in the jungle, made it out the shit, and niggas still kept it 100. Hey, tell me if you want it. Hey.
All you gotta do is stick this extra shaft back in the middle, put this nut on right here, put this nut on right here, then put this through the nut, put the pin through the nut, and man, we ready to ride, man. My nigga should be riding smooth. He done burnt all the bearings out that motherfucker right there, dog. Welcome to SFN where we get it in though, man. So look, we got all the bolts in there. Bam, everything in there, the new one in there. My good. So what we finna do now, I might need to take that out and stick that back in there somehow. Cause I think, yeah. So what we finna do, man, I'm finna put them back together.